Looking good, guys. Almost done.
Good morning, everyone. What smells so good?
Pancakes, your favorite. Sit down, James.
You made pancakes on a Tuesday morning?
Yes, it is a special Tuesday.
Pancakes! Yes! 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 This is the best day!
Liam, slow down! You almost knocked me over!
Sorry, Dad.
But pancakes, Dad, pancakes!
Sit down, baby. Wait for your sister.
Where is Lily?
She was in her room. The door was closed.
Lily! Sweetheart. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning, Lilybug. How did you sleep?
Lily? Daddy said good morning.
Lily, say good morning. That is the rule. Liam.
It is okay. Maybe she is still sleepy. You okay, sweetheart?
She is probably just tired. Yeah.
Probably. I told him, just like this. And then he said,
I know, it was hilarious. Remember that, Lily? Remember?
Dad, did you know a T-Rex had tiny arms? Tiny little arms.
I did know that, buddy. Very tiny arms.
Who? Who has a big mouth? James, stop it. How did it eat? How did it pick things up?
Big mouth. Very big mouth. Like someone I know at breakfast.
Lily, baby. Do you want more syrup?
No.
No.
She is fine. She is just quiet today. Don't forget your lunches.
Yeah, mine's the dino one. And Lily's is pink. Let's go.
Lily, come on. We are going to be late. Have a great day, kids. I love you both.
Love you, Dad. See you later.
Lilybug. Big hug. Come on. Huh, James.
I know. It is nothing.
Kids have off days.
She did not say one word this morning.
She nodded. She shook her head. That is something.
James. She did not say one single word.
She will talk at school. She always talks at school. Dad,
Dad, we learned about volcanoes.
Miss Kim said magma is underground lava.
Wow.
That is cool, buddy. And Tommy ate glue again. The real glue, not the fake kind.
What?
He is fine. The teacher called his mom.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Lilybug. How was your day? Lily? Did you have a good day?
Yeah. She did not talk at lunch either. She just ate her sandwich.
What? Not even to her friends?
Maya asked her something and Lily just pointed at her milk.
Okay. Okay, buddy. Thank you for telling me. She did not talk at school either.
All day?
All day. Liam said she just pointed at things. James.
That is not normal. Something happened.
I know.
Should we ask her?
I already tried. I sat with her before dinner.
What did she do?
She smiled at me. A little smile.
And then she just looked at her hands. She is not sick. She is not angry. She is just...
Gone.
She is still here, but she is gone somewhere inside.
We need to find out why.
I made your favorite, sweetheart. Cheesy eggs. Just for you. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Lily,
Baby.
Mama is here. Can you tell Mama what is wrong?
Lily. Please. Just one word. Are you okay?
Oh. Okay. Okay, baby.
Mr. Buttons is all yours, Lily.
He's so soft, Daddy.
Hey, look who I found. Mr. Buttons was lonely in the living room. Me and Mr. Buttons had a long talk. You know what he said?
What?
He said he misses hearing your voice. He said it is too quiet without you. Lily, Daddy is not angry. Daddy is not upset with you. Daddy just loves you. Mr. Buttons, do you know why Lily is quiet? Is Lily sad, Mr. Buttons? Did something happen, Mr. Buttons? Something that made Lily sad? Okay, buddy. Thank you. I saw you looking at this earlier.
I can't draw anything.
Just try. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Lily, I have an idea. You do not have to talk. Just write it. Or draw it. I will not tell anyone. I promise. Brothers keep secrets.
Lily, come on. Why will you not talk? Why?
Lily, are you gonna cry? No.
Okay, Lily. We do not have to talk. We can just sit here.
I called the school counselor today.
What did she say?
She said Lily was quiet in class too. She sat and listened. She did her work, but no words.
Did anything happen at school? Did someone hurt her?
The counselor watched all day. Nothing happened. No fight. No problem.
Then what is it?
She said children go quiet when something scares them. Something they cannot say.
What could have scared her here? At home? We are not. Oh.
James.
The argument.
She heard us! Oh no! Oh, Sarah. James, she was right down the hall. The walls are thin.
I thought she was asleep. I thought both of them were asleep.
She heard everything. Our baby heard everything.
No wonder she stopped talking. She is scared.
She does not know how to carry what she heard.
We did this. We made her carry this. We have to talk to her. Right now. Tonight.
It is late. She is probably asleep.
I do not care. She has been carrying this for 2 days. 2 whole days alone.
Lily? Sweetheart? Gasps.
Lily. I was scared.
If you go away, who holds who?
We are not going away. Daddy and Mama are not going away.
Lily, baby, we were angry, but we are not leaving. We love you.
You were so loud.
Oh, my baby. Oh, my sweet, sweet baby.
I did not want to talk. Because talking hurts.
What do you mean, Lilybug?
When you talked that night, everything hurt. So I thought, maybe if I do not talk, nothing will hurt.
James, what is all this?
Last night changed me. A lot. I am sorry, Sarah, for that night. For all of it.
I am sorry too. We both said too much.
We did not think about our little ears.
We forgot that children hear everything.
Everything. Every word. Every silence.
Whoa! What is happening? Why is there food?
Sit down, buddy. Special breakfast today. Are we celebrating something?
We are celebrating being together.
I can celebrate that.
Good morning, sweetheart. Come sit down.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, Lilybug.
Good morning. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, my love. Good morning. She is back! Lily is back! Yes! I was always here, Liam. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you were.
This is the place.
It really is. Lily, can I tell you something important?
Can I tell you something important? Yes, Daddy.
When Mama and Daddy fight, it does not mean we stop loving each other.
But it sounds like that.
You are right. It does sound like that. And I am sorry.
Why do you fight, Daddy?
Because we are both tired sometimes. And scared sometimes.
You get scared?
Daddies get scared too, sweetheart.
I thought only children got scared.
No, baby. Everyone gets scared. Even daddies.
Daddy, when you are scared, do you go quiet too?
Yes. I think I do.
Then maybe we are the same.
Yeah. Maybe we are.
They're laughing up there.
Yeah, I heard that. You know, we thought Lily was just being quiet.
We thought it was a small thing, an off day, a mood.
Yeah.
But she was carrying something so heavy in her tiny heart.
For 3 whole days, without a single word. And what broke her silence was not us asking the right question. It was a crayon, and a piece of paper, and 3 words. I hold you. Was there a time you heard something at home? Something adults thought you did not hear? Something you carried alone, in silence, like Lily?
Is there a child in your life who has gone quiet lately? Have you sat with them, asked not to ask?
We have a lot to learn from our children.